Guys, meron na share sa inyo na sobrang sulit na nabili ko na headphones. This is from Langsdome. And this, meron siyang ANC na noise cancelling, Bluetooth na rin siya, and it really has a good sounds. And gamit-gamit ko na siya for almost, 3 days. Kinoconnect ko siya together with my newly bought na Red Magic 10S Pro. Nagpe-play ako ng mga Maroon 5 na songs dito. And nag-enjoy ako beats sa Spotify, watching videos, playing games. Okay na okay itong headphones na ito from Langsdome. And another teaser gusto ko pakita sa inyo guys, no? This is a Sony na XM7. XM4 pala, no? Halos magkamukha lang sila guys, no? This is just priced at around 1,600 pesos. And this is priced above 10,000 pesos. Look guys, halos similar no, yung build niya. Pero syempre I would say na hindi mo mako-compare dito dahil yung quality nito, yung sound quality nito is on a different level. But this one itself, maganda ang sound quality nito. Snug fit dito sa akin tenga and gamit ko rin siya no, to chat with my friends. Tinry ko lang yung yung ANC niya. Okay naman, crystal clear naman ng sounds. And during nag-travel ako, tinry ko naman siya suotin, medyo na-drown out naman yung mga ingay on the background noise. And honestly, I will tell you, na sobra siyang okay. Okay siya, sulit para sa presyo na bibili mo. And dito ko siya kinompare. Sabi ko, langya, this is more than 10K and below 20K, Ito is just 1.6. So, look guys, kung gusto mo may Sony XM4 level na design, meron dito kay Langsdome. No? So if you're on the hunt for a really good na headphones, which I definitely would recommend, check this one out from Langsdome. I'll post the link dyan sa Yellow Basket. So if you want to check this one out, I'll post the link sa Yellow Basket. And guys, hurry dahil naka-sale siya. Ang original price nito is 2,200. Right now, nasa 1,600. So hurry up, guys.